So this is a 2006 Mercedes-Benz E350. I'm gonna remove the headrest for the front seats so that I can put seat covers on it. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So to do that, you have to push the seat or move the seat all the way to the front. Okay. So that we have access to two screws on the back of the seat and remove the back cover all the way. Okay, now move the back of the seat all the way to the front also. Okay, so from the back seat, sorry about the mess here, we have access to two screws, one here and the other one is here. Okay, so remove those screws. So here we go. This is the tool that you have to use. It's a Torx, I guess, and you remove it just like that. There you go. And then that one. So here are the screws. Now, in order to remove this part, you have to push this part up and out. But before that, do not yank this, okay? Because you're gonna break it. Before that, you have to move the back seat all the way to the back, or at least halfway to the back. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, now push this up and out, up and out. Okay, so here's the back cover. Now we have to disengage this part and this part very gently. So we have to disengage the plastic from the metal. Here's that. And here's that. And you have to pull this up all the way. That's how you remove the headrest on 2006 Mercedes-Benz E350. I believe E320 is the same. Any W211 chassis should be the same, but this one is a 2006 E350. Thank you.